How to move apps to SD card on Android. Now, in order to move apps to SD card on Android, let me tell you beforehand that this option might be available to only some of the device. If your device has this option, then only this can be applied, otherwise not. Now, if your device have this option, go to settings and then you will need to find the app settings from here. And after finding the app settings, open it and then choose any of the application which you would like to move to your SD card. Let's do it with Clash of Clans, and then after opening the application, go to storage option, and if you have the option available to move the app to SD card, you will see a button just below the app's name. Just simply tap into that and then select SD card and tap to move button. My device also doesn't have this option, but if you have, you've got it lucky and do it that easily. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.